Hey guys, ako nga pala si Paul and you're watching the Hoya Gaming. We're back. The last few years we did some blogs about different things. Has not include gaming, but of course this time we're out of the pandemic. We need to do this. Let's do this. Okay guys, nakalaro na ulit tayo. Balik Tagalog ako. Sana hindi ako naban, no? Kaya hindi ako nakapag-ready agad eh. Nagkaroon ng problema. So, I'm using a Redmi 7A phone, guys. Not that great phone, but for Mobile Legends, I guess it's good. Okay. I'm back on Epic. Epic. Let's do this. I'm gonna try to...
So guys, di ko alam dito no na mas malakas pala yung music kaysa sa boses ko. Pero first try. I'll sing you next time. Thank you.
The enemy is banning.
They're banning the sound of being. Hey guys, just to let you know, I'm gonna be choosing this one.
Your team is banning.
My fists are unflinching.
Yup, you're banned, man. Natalia Assassin. I guess they're banned.
The enemy is banning.
Okay, they're banning.
Time to witness the handsome.
Please ban a hero.
Yup, sure.
The perfect combination.
The enemy is picking.
Hey guys. I'm really hope mag-inag tong screen recording, guys. First time ko pang gamitin itong Redmi 7 na.
Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
Woohoo! Set me on fire and I'll blaze through the battle.
Alright.
The blade in your hands. Your team is picking.
Guys, this is mine. Please. You can pick it up. Please. No one should pick this up. Because if not, I'm gonna be using Bamon, my favorite hero, man. They don't want me to
Everything engulfed in flames. Dragonborn is back.
The enemy is picking.
There you go.
My magic flows as freely
no.
as the
I
wind.
think they have no top.
Oh,
they
I
have.
smell it.
Please pick a hero.
Oh yeah, Franco. Are you Frank? Frank! Well, let's do this, guys. So guys, hindi ako mag-asa no, sa Call of Duty, so mga skin. Pagka-vlogger na talaga. So I hope kumasya yung memory ko. 32 GB na kasi yung memory ng cellphone ko, guys. Sa pag-video na to, wala akong SD card, walang extra. So let's do this. Please don't be laggy. Please. So I'm using my internet connection is Converge, guys. Max. Converge. Hindi siya kabilis kasi 35 FPS lang ginagamit ko, guys. Pero okay na rin. Mobile Legends lang to. Kaya natin niya. Okay naman, no? May mga settings siyang ganito, no? So, yun yung screen recording niya, guys. Dito mo lang, pipinutin. Okay na, no? Parang pang gaming phone, pero semi lang. Hindi talaga gaming phone. Semi lang. So, sana hindi siya mag-laggy. Lalo na yung mga battle. Malaman natin, guys. So, parang review na rin to sa Redmi 7. So, this.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Guys, pwede yung gayahin dito.
All troops deployed.
Oh no, stop guys, stop. Please, stop kayo, please. Ngayon sayangin buhay natin dito sa mid sa baba. Okay, natago si Franco doon sa iba. Okay, patay siya. Oh, makakapatay ka kagad, Franco, sa tingin mo. Hindi nakaka-Franco. Hindi na naman itong Franco, gaming na. Oh, sige, masakit ka. Ang bago. Oh, back ka na. Oh, mamamatay ka na eh. Tuloy na dali. Masakit ka rin. Sige, good. Ingat ka, Franco, baka masulyapan ka. Sakit mo na. Oo, slaps na yan si Franco. Slaps, oh.
First blood.
First blood. Uy, nice. Galing kakampi ko. Nice.
Ayan, no? Kala mo. Yun, pambira. Wag yung kakampi ko. Ginagawa mo.
Power na yan, gagi. Ano ka dyan? Patay ka dyan. Seryoso na. Okay, good.
Autobots? Sounds familiar.
Yeah, it sounds familiar, man. Okay. Natago sa damo. Sa damo, ah. Wait lang si Franco. Wait, nagalit sa akin.
So guys, talagang daming pinagbago ng ML, no? Actually, galing akong Call of Duty, then eto, dito na naman ako sa ML.
3, 2, 1.
Ayan, tagdal pa more.
Hindi pa ako level 4. Ano, diba? Kahit kagad eh. Okay, medyo patas laban. Oo, medyo. Okay, sige. Sige, magbablocks. Yung mga dark, yung mga... Diba, bawas ka rin. Oops, hindi ka na.
No.
Hindi sa mga magpakawala na. Sige. Bakit na? Grabe, bawas sa akin na. Nandito ako din na.
Initiate retreat.
Pliers is important.
Tungkol sa akin.
Both cars and people.
Ano mo ka lang, kuya? Okay. timing. Patay ka dyan. Ako, tower yan. Makunat pa yung titiyan mo. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Nice. Unstoppable. Very good.
Attack the turtle.
You can do that. Let's push.
Push first. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret. Double kill.
Citizen up. Oh, no. Bilang, sabon pa ang dalawa. Okay lang naman. Ayun na. Basta palakas kayo, okay lang.
Mega kill. Shut down.
Naku, yun lang guys. Hindi pwede pang vlog ko pag ganito. Nag-vlog ako.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Natin. Buo na tayo ng pan-defense ng magic na.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Apa ang skill?
Ult is ready.
Ay, ito na nito ang defeat. Woo! First vlog.
Victory!
Wala yung record tanga. Very good.
Thanks for watching, guys. Ako nga pala ulit si Paul and you're watching The Hoya Gaming. Alright, bye for now.